Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. That looks so good. 500 horse, absolute machine. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we're here at Custom Coatings to install the new 2021 model rear tail lights for my 2019 Kia Stinger. I've been trying to find a good install video on YouTube, but I haven't come across one, so I thought I'd make my own. As you can see with the wide body, it's still not complete yet due to COVID-19. Basically, it's been quite hard here over in New Zealand. We've had a lot of restrictions and lockdowns, so businesses haven't been able to open. There's been a bit of delays, but we're back up and running. We're only about a month away from being done, so that's pretty exciting. But on this episode, follow us along the journey to install these new taillights. Here he is. How are you, bro? You alright? Yeah, good, man. So what are we doing today?
Today we'll be switching the taillights up.
Yep.
But before we do that, we'll be smoking them.
Smoking them?
Yeah.
Well, painting?
Well, we'll paint, yes.
Yeah.
The same way that we did these. Exactly the same way.
So why do you paint them instead of just wrapping?
Well, for us, basically, I mean, the paint that goes on as a liquid, so it conforms to the shape of the lens better. Yep. And it produces a finish that doesn't really look like anything was done to the taillights.
Yeah, because I mean, these ones look like they're almost stock.
Yeah.
It actually
so for
smokes
us, as you know, in New Zealand, you know, actually a lot of places you're not, you know, this is frowned upon at very least.
Oh, 100%. It's illegal to get rear tail lights in New Zealand tinted. So this is a way of going about it. It actually means that it looks like it's stock standard.
Yeah, you can't actually go up and pick at it like on the side of the road. The cops are not going to be able to verify whether this is off or not.
Exactly.
Factory, so
exactly.
And it just it looks better. It doesn't look like it was butchered. Yeah,
exactly.
Going through this process.
So what is the process of doing that?
Basically, the way the process starts is you remove the lights from the body.
Yep.
These are already loose from we did the other work.
And luckily they've already been removed from the wide body. Yeah.
We'll save a bit of time taking them out. But once they're out, we'll Scotch-Brite the lenses just to keep them up with, you know, so the paint can stick to it. Yep. And then it gets degreased with Crepsol or wax and grease remover.
Yep.
Basically put a tinted clear coat on.
Yep.
Then gloss clear coat, the same clear coat that goes on the body panel. And that's how we produce that factory
mirror factory
finish. Basically, because we can control the whole process, and that's how we can control the darkness as well. So we're not fixed on producing one standard darkness on anything. Yeah. You know, so it gives us more range of movement.
Yeah.
To tweak the finish.
And unlike wrap, when you've got certain angles and that type of stuff,
like these type of
once you do a spray over, it's just so much easier and it looks like gloss. So no, that's mean, man. Let's crack on into it and start removing them. So basically what Grant's doing now is doing a really light sand, so it enables the primer to really get into the little scratches that he's put on it, so it sticks and bonds, so when he actually applies the tint to it, it'll stick and dry all as one super glossy piece. The other thing to note is that this body panel bit here will just easily be transferred over to the new light. It's what? 3 little pinchable clips and swaps over. So if you do buy the kit, don't freak out. Just remove it from the previous kit and it swaps right over. Alright guys, so it's the moment of truth. They've just come out of the paint booth. Nate's going to give us a hand to do the install, but
have a look.
Far out. They look so sick, bro.
Man, that's some damn fine paint.
That is some damn fine paint. The difference in the two, far out, that looks so good. You also mounted the silver part on here, on the caps from the previous ones. How hard was that, bro?
Oh, it was quite hard.
Dude, that looks so good.
I'll show you. See all those clips in there?
Yeah, all the little pins in there, yeah. You've all got to push them down and then it just slides out.
Slides out.
Far out. All right, let's go over and install this. I can't wait to see it on the car. Far out. So the actual side indicator panels are basically plug and play from the 2019 models and the 2021 model tail lights, so that's not the issue. The issue that we're going to have is the rear bottom location pins. These ones here don't actually line up with the 2019 model holes. So what we're going to do, Nate's little trick, is to dip all of these points in paint, and when you push down on the panel, it basically puts a little paint marker on where you need to drill, and you just make a little hole and it will slide right in, and it's basically plug and play. You just connect the old connectors and it all should work, fingers crossed. So that's what we're going to do now. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a paint dot there, so when we put the whole tail light in, when you push down on it, it just leaves a little bit of a mark, and that's where we know where we need to drill. What the fuck is with those glasses, bro?
Gotta hit the safety first.
Safety? Bro, that don't even look like safety rated glasses, bro. You look like you're in a fucking music video, man.
Bro, I look like Michael Jackson's dad.
Michael Jackson's dad. Hey, what is this?
That's it.
Lol Key is now doing a freaking music video.
Oh.
So what Nate and I have just found out is the 2019 tailgate doesn't align correctly with the middle 2021 rear taillight piece. There's 3 holes on either side. Those 3 holes don't actually line up with the tailgate. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab a little tool like this and drill all 3 holes on either side to be bigger, so that we've got a bit of wiggle room in place. We can chuck the 2021 taillight in there and then just put some bigger washers behind it before we put the bolts back on. So that's what we're going to go and do now. So Nate's just finished doing all the drilling, so now we're just going to put the new tail light in, and fingers crossed, if our measurements are correct, it will all fit in nicely, which damn it does.
Voila.
Far out, man. That looks so sick. One long piece. So what we're going to go and do next now is install the rear indicators, the side pieces, and basically all you got to do to hook them up is connect the existing connectors to where the new pin is on the back, and basically Bob's your uncle, she's done. So yeah, let's get into that now and finish up this rear tail end. So to install the indicator lights is super simple. Basically there's just one screw. Everything else has location pins, and all you got to do is slide it in once you've connected the electronic cable, and once it's slid in place, there's one little hole that you got to put your screw in, and then it's locked into place. When I ordered this whole kit, here in New Zealand we actually don't get sequential indicators. So when I ordered this kit over from the States, I asked for sequential indicators. So we've plugged everything up, and as soon as Nate hits this button, the boot lid's going to shut and we're going to see the indicators go. So I'm super excited. This is basically the reveal now. The job is done, everything's tidied up. So yeah, let's give it a go, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, sick, man. Far out. All right, do you want to hop around and start the car up and let's have a gaze? That looks so good. I mean, I'm so stoked with how this has turned out, and I can't wait for the wide body to be fully done and this to be completed. But from what I'm seeing now, far out. It looks amazing. Damn. I've missed my... I've missed hearing the exhaust, bro. All right, well that's it. The install is done. I'm so stoked with how these lights have turned out, especially the tint. I think the tint makes it look so much better in person. I wish you guys could see it in real life, which you will be able to soon when the wide body is done. As always, bro, thanks for the help, man. Really appreciate it. Custom Coatings for the win. These guys are amazing. But as always, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.